Yo, what's up, YouTube? Arriving fam. And today we got a little maintenance video for your Smok Mico, right? So this video is gonna help you get the best life of your Smok Mico, right? Now there's 4 very important things that you can do to improve the life of your Mico and the hits. So before we start, I'm gonna get in, hit this real quick. All right, let's get started. Step number 1, you want to periodically take your pot out and clean it. Clean or like wipe. So if you see this, I've been using it all day, and I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, okay, let's see. Whatever. Anyway, there's juice around the bottom of the pod. You want to take this, you want to wipe it with the shirt, with the rag, and for sure just make sure that these connectors are clean, right? That's step number 1. Step number 2 is the battery, right? So say if you first get this device, or if you've been using it for a while, you want to completely drain this thing until it won't hit, but it will blink red. And once it starts blinking red, that means it's a low percentage of battery. Then you want to charge it completely without unplugging it. So, I mean, you could hit this while it's charging, but if you drain it and then you charge it to 100%, that's gonna kind of like reset your battery. It's a great thing to do, and it improves the already great battery life of the Mico. Right. Step number 3 with the Mico is the juice, right? So the juice does kind of matter with these mesh coils. The juice and the coil, they have 0.8 and they have 1.2. You want to get the 0.8 ohm coils for this device, right? And those lower ohms are a bit better for salt nick devices. Your pod will hit better and it will last longer, right? So I get about 1 to 2 refills with the 0.8 ohm coil, and that really helps it lasts longer. Okay? And number 5 or 4, talking about pod life, right? These pods are not like the craziest. They're fairly cheap, but the coil gives you smooth, consistent experience, a smooth and consistent experience. So one of my juice of choice when it comes to these coil pods is Salt Naked 100. That is one of the best juices, I believe, for the coils, because it's a 50-50 PG-VG ratio, and that ratio works really well with this. So that's another tip. If you got this device, you know that sometimes the pods, they could be, fairly like cut off or not last as long. But the juice choice, and also tip number 5, priming the pod. So to prime the pod, to prime these pods specifically, you want to put the juice in before you even touch it, and you just want to breathe. Give it a few dry hits, a few, like probably 5 or 10. Just dry hit it, and then let the pod rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or sometimes, like, I'll even fill up the 2 other pods, in the pack of 3. I'll use one and then fill up the other 2. And so when I'm done, boom, I got another one right away. Yeah. that is my Smok Mico maintenance video. And if y'all like these videos, I'm actually gonna keep doing these maintenance videos on every device I get. So, you know, get a little series started for you guys to enjoy and watch. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all, and I am now in my new place. If y'all stick to this end and care about these things, I'm in my new place, so we got a lot of high quality content coming y'all way. All right, you guys, thank you. Subscribe, comment, and rate. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.